Namaskar Pune, कसं काय? Finally, the major milestone has arrived where MISUMI India has started its new facility in Pune, Kurli, Maharashtra.
We officially introduced MISUMI Pune's warehouse. We opened the warehouse. We can stock this warehouse around 50,000 SKU.
Initially, we were sending all our components from our Gurgaon warehouse, which was taking more than 4 days or 5 days in some case. So that was actually not catering to our main concept, which is QSTBS, which is quality, cost, and time. So timeline was like 4 days, 5 days, and no customer would wait for us for such long time. So that's why we came up with this warehouse. And from here, we can deliver within 1 day to all our customers across the region.
MISUMI India welcomes you all. As you all are aware that MISUMI is into 3 businesses. We are making standard components for press dyes, we are making components for mold and factory automation.
I'm happy that MISUMI in Pune has inaugurated their warehouse. Regarding Skoda Volkswagen's association with MISUMI, they are a very important part of our value chain as they have contributed to our success during our India 2.0 project in 2018 to 2022, and also they were the continued part of our success journey from year 2022 to 2024.
We are a precision machinery manufacturing company. MISUMI is helping us to achieve that precision with their highly precise, high quality product.
Absolutely, there is no issue in quality and delivery. And with this warehouse in Pune, they have started now. We hope that the delivery will be further improved and we could able to reach to our customer more faster way.
We are totally relying on these MISUMI products. As far as quality is concerned, as far as cost pricing is concerned, everything is fair.